In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smoothly transition your email subscribers from System.io to Beehiiv. This process can feel a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you step by step, ensuring that your subscribers are moved safely and efficiently. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. First off, let's get clear on what we're doing. System.io is a great tool for managing your email lists and campaigns, while Beehiiv is fast becoming a favorite for its newsletter capabilities. Maybe you've decided to make the switch because of a specific feature you prefer, or perhaps you've simply outgrown System.io's offerings. Whatever the reason, the important thing is, your subscribers' data needs to be moved properly so we can keep your communication seamless. To start, you'll need to log in to your System.io account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Emails tab, which is usually found on the main menu. This section houses all of your email lists and subscribers. Once you're in the Emails section, look for the option that allows you to manage your contacts. This is where you'll be able to export the subscribers you want to move. You should see an option to export your contact list. Click on that, and usually you'll be provided with a few file format options like CSV or Excel. I suggest opting for the CSV format, as it's often the most universally accepted for importing into other platforms. Once you select CSV, the file should download onto your computer. Now it's time to set up your new home for your email subscribers, which is Beehiiv. If you don't already have an account with Beehiiv, this is a good moment to create one. Simply navigate to Beehiiv's website and follow the prompts to sign up. After signing up and logging into your new Beehiiv account, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the interface a bit. Look for the Subscribers or Audience section in the dashboard. This is where all the action happens in Beehiiv when it comes to managing your subscribers. Now that you're inside the Subscribers section, look for an Import option. This is where you'll be bringing in the CSV file that you just exported from System.io. Go ahead and click the option to import subscribers. When prompted, upload the CSV file you just downloaded. At this stage, you may need to match the fields from your System.io file to the appropriate fields in Beehiiv. For example, ensure that email addresses go into the right column so they don't end up misplaced. This is pretty straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you should be good to go. Once you've mapped the fields and confirmed that everything looks correct, hit the Import button. Depending on the size of your subscriber list, this may take a moment. Patience is key here. Let Beehiiv do its thing. As your subscribers begin to import, it's a great opportunity to check back on System.io to make sure that your export was complete and correct. While that's happening, you could also start drafting a welcome email from your Beehiiv account to greet your subscribers once they're officially moved over. Hey there! We've moved from previous platform to Beehiiv. For example, just a little note letting them know they'll still be receiving your fantastic content. After the import process wraps up, double-check to ensure that your subscribers have successfully loaded into Beehiiv. The interface should provide you with a summary of the imported emails, and you can verify a few to ensure they're all in the right place. If everything checked out, congrats! You've successfully moved your email subscribers from System.io to Beehiiv. It's an important step in ensuring that you continue to connect with your audience without missing a beat. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, remember to subscribe and hit that like button to stay updated on more useful tips. Happy